chopped sour kimchi finely using scissors.
Where is this from?
So this one is from 백종원의 요리비 책, Pax Cuisine. This guy, if you want some Korean food, you guys should definitely watch this guy. Like you can find any Korean food and it's really good and easy. There's always English subtitle.
Isn't he like super famous?
Yeah, he's famous. He's like celebrity. He's CEO of some cuisine company. So I'm gonna follow his recipe for making kimchi jjigae today because it was raining, but it stopped. But we're still gonna eat kimchi jjigae and 수박 화채 for dessert.
Wow, as soon as he opened up the kimchi, it like hit my nose.
Yeah, it smells perfect for kimchi jjigae. It needs to be sour, and if it's not sour, you need to put vinegar on it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for my bonnet.
One at a time.
Oh yeah.
Good answer.
Good answer.
Brown sugar. Wow, this would be the first time using sugar.
Yeah, actually, Korean pancake mix.
That's cold water.
That's good.
Oh, I thought you said warm. It looks ready. Ooh, is it enough shrimp?
It's just I didn't put up a lot.
It already smells good.
You know why Koreans eat jjigae when it's raining? Do you know?
I think.
You don't know.
No, I know.
What is it?
Because when you put the batter in,
Uh-huh.
it sounds like it's raining.
Yeah.
Dozier is a fragrance company that reproduces classic, high-end, luxury scents at a fraction of the price. Each scent is only $29, while most designer scents range from $50 and even up to $280 in retail. Each scent has a luxury counterpart, so you can get the high-end scent without paying high-end money. Dozier also has a risk-free system. Every bottle comes with a small sample that you can try and wear before unsealing the 50 milliliter bottle. If you do decide to return the scent, they do offer a standard 30-day return period in which you can return it and get your full money back. They also offer great bulk deals on their website that offer 25% off and free shipping when you buy 3 or more bottles. And let's not forget about the additional 10% off you can get if you use our code. Use MAJ10 to get an additional 10% off your order. Dozier is working really hard to keep us all smelling fresh. So go check out their website and let us know which scents you want to try. Thank you so much, Dozier. All right, back to our video. How do you know when to flip it?
The oil needs to be soaked into the jjigae, so there shouldn't be oil. So when you flip it, it doesn't explode. Like the popping, oil popping.
Ah.
just white rice and with black rice. This is actually my favorite rice.
This is also my favorite rice. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks good.
Maybe in half.
It's too bad. Round 2. We ate some salty ones, so it's time to eat some sweet. We're gonna make 수박 화채, watermelon, and some other sweet fruits and Sprite and milk or Milkis. So which is this? It's really popular. This is literally
really cold.
Oh, it's refreshing milk and yogurt flavor.
But it just tastes sweet though.
I think it's perfect describing.
Milk and yogurt.
Yeah, milky and yogurty flavor. Actually, we wanted to eat it when it's sunny, when it's daytime, but Maleea has to do some homework. Maleea is kind of busy. Yeah, she has to work.
I'm too busy to eat 수박 화채.
Yeah, it's actually 9:43.
Oh god.
Yeah, let's eat it.
You can. Ooh.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
But we're gonna do.
A little bit of juice. Just a little bit. And midday time. Ooh, we definitely don't need two. I feel like this looks weird, but it's really tasty.
It looks weird? I never thought that way.
I feel like it kind of does. But it's really refreshing. It's a perfect summer snack. Voila. Huh. I feel like maybe we should have put more of the fruit cocktail in it. I feel like the Milkis is really strong. It's good, but I feel like I taste one thing more than the other.
Milk?
The Milkis, not just milk. So when did this become a popular snack? Because watermelon's been here for a while, but Milkis?
I don't know. It's really old though. It's really old.
사랑해요, 밀키스.
Watermelons are way cheaper in America. In Korea, it's like at least 20, like 30.
$30.
If it's good.
So this month's challenge was 0 waste and 31 days of pleasure. But our next challenges, I don't know if they'll be harder or if they'll be easier for us.
It will be easier. Okay, so next challenge would be no social media and also reading books.
But I think we might be able to do it.
I mean, no social media part, I think I can do that, but I consider YouTube as a social media because you can leave a comment
Interact.
and interact in this community. Maybe if you watch on TV, it might be just consuming media.
Yeah.
Maybe we should ask you guys that what do you guys think about YouTube? Do you consider YouTube as a social media or is it just a video platform? So when we do no social media, should we also stop watching YouTube? How much time do you think you use social media a day?
Well, these days I'm not using social media that much. Maybe only a couple of hours max. But my screen time is also pretty low. So I feel like for me, it'll just be deleting the app and not.
The problem is the YouTube. I watch YouTube like 4 hours a day.
It's a lot.
That's gonna be my problem.
Let us know. Should we stop watching YouTube too? Can we only watch YouTube on TV?
And also, since we're gonna do reading books challenge, so we're gonna read books as many as we can, right?
Yeah, but I think we both have 4 right now.
12 Rules for Life. This is self-development, Brave New World, and The Intelligent Investor.
Ooh.
About stock market.
Please.
And Silent Spring. That's about environmental pollution something. And The God Delusion. Maleea's Choice. Oh yeah, this is about atheism. And The Body Keeps the Score. What is it about?
It's about your mind and body dealing with trauma. So just kind of getting into the healing of how you can approach your trauma and heal from it.
Nudge.
Nudge is more about how to nudge either yourself or others to do something, not manipulate, of course. One of the first examples was about children who go through the cafeteria, right? So, okay, how should we place the food inside? If we were to place snack junk food at eye level, it'll catch their eye more. They're more likely to want it, more likely to buy it and eat it. More, there's a trigger, an effect, a domino effect that happens there. But let's say instead of putting the junk food at eye level, you put more healthier options, then they would see that first or see it more often because it's at their eye level. They will be nudged to make a better decision by just the placement. So that's kind of what the book is talking about. Which I've started reading it and I didn't get a chance to finish it, so that's why it's there and that's why I already know.
I'm still here. Is that the yeah?
Yeah.
I'm still here. It's about black dignity in a world made for whiteness.
Yes.
Yeah. These are books that we chose so far. So if you guys have more recommendations, please let us know. And also, at the last, our zero waste challenge journey is almost done.
Yes.
So this is all the trash that we gather so far. Just trash, except reused items, recycled items, compostable items, and this.
So basically, this is just all of our trash for the past 3 weeks.
Yeah. Until the 2 weeks, I think it was a lot. And then after 2 weeks, I think it was decreasing, but we also still made some mistakes, like I think this one. Yeah, we ordered.
Where did we order from?
We ordered. It was always paper.
Yeah, like paper container and a paper bag, and then we ordered and it came in styrofoam.
Yeah.
And a plastic bag.
Yeah.
We were like. So we did make some mistakes, but I feel like you said, our trash load has been decreasing. So it's not that bad. And I think that it's going pretty well. But of course, we're going to keep talking about it later in our video where we would do a wrap up about this experience. So please watch out for that.
That's gonna come soon.
Yes, very soon.
And also, if you have any interesting questions about our zero waste challenge, and we're gonna answer the question in that video.
Let us know what you guys thought of this video. We know we've been doing a lot of more serious videos, I guess.
Informative
Very
videos.
informative videos. So we wanted to have a laid back kind of vibe going on here.
Like,
comment,
subscribe.
But also share with your friends. I know we're asking you a lot to do, but
that's a lot to do.
Can you at least do one of them? Can you just at least like it? Dash the like button. What can we say? Yeah. Give us some idea. I want to hear what y'all have to say. What can be our trademark saying?
Yeah, I think we're too tired to think right now. Thanks for watching.
See you later. Tired.